Within online banking, it's easy to transfer money to another Advantage One member. From the dashboard, choose Transfer and Pay from the top menu and then select Make a Transfer. On the transfer screen, go to the Classic tab. To transfer money to another Advantage One member, click the link to Add an account to make a transfer. From here you can choose to add an internal account or an external account. We want to send money to an existing Advantage One member, so we'll choose Internal Account. From here you need to enter the required member information for the person you want to transfer money to. You'll need to know their last name, their member number, and their share ID. From here you must verify your identity. Select your verification method to receive your code. Once you receive your code, you'll have about 15 minutes to retrieve it and enter it into the verification box. Once you're done, you'll select the Verify button. Now the member will display in the To Account drop-down menu. And it's that simple to transfer money to an Advantage One member.